If you look at any popular artists, they all have one thing in common, and that is a consistent personal art style, which gives them a strong brand identity that differentiates them from other artists, and will help you find your unique art style by the end of this video. The first step is that we need to increase your exposure to art, and the best way to do that is by heading to Pinterest and saving anything that you find interesting. It doesn't matter if it's beyond your skill level. Also, it doesn't matter if it's a different format of art. For example, if I do 3D, that doesn't mean that I'm not allowed to seek inspiration in movies or photographs. The reason that I prefer Pinterest over other places like ArtStation or Instagram is that not only Pinterest has all of the same things inside itself, but it can also show you similar stuff that you may like. But of course, you can use any platform that you're more comfortable with. Now that you have gathered enough inspiration, you can start to find some similarities within them. Maybe they have a similar color scheme, or they use the same technique, or even camera angles. After getting an understanding, you can kinda tell in what group you mostly fit in. For example, I associate myself with surrealism. Yours may be sci-fi or fantasy art. But remember, this isn't our art style. This is just what we like to make. So how do we get to that personal art style that is unique to us? For that, we simply need to implement ourselves into our own art. Okay, but like, how the fuck do we do that? Maybe you played a game that really stood out to you, or a movie, or it could even be the country that you were born in. Something that comes from you. Maybe you're Persian and like putting Persian rugs in your artworks. It doesn't have to be complicated. Having even one element that comes from you is good enough for now. And finally, create. You know, I can feed you thousands of bullshit on how to achieve your art style, but that wouldn't help you unless you start creating something. Once you do that, you start noticing that you like doing some things more often than the other. It could be the way that you light your scenes, or how you color grade your renders. And it's through these tries and errors that you finally achieve your own unique art style. Remember that your style isn't something that you find and just live with it for the rest of your life. Art style is not to be found, but to be developed. Okay, I totally made that up, but I think it's pretty true. You can't just pull a new art style out of your ass. It takes trying, experimenting, and getting out of your comfort zone. Just like I said previously. And with that said, thanks for watching, bye, see ya.